In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Pinterest desktop account. If you collaborate with an agency or a partner who needs to work on your Pinterest ads and tools, you'll do this from Pinterest's Business Manager on desktop. Start by opening Pinterest and make sure you're signed into the correct business profile with admin permissions. If you manage multiple profiles, quickly confirm you're on the right one to avoid granting access to the wrong account. From the Pinterest homepage, head to the Business Hub, which you'll find at the top left. This area centralizes your business features. Inside the hub, look for the Manage Business section. That's where you'll access deeper controls for people, partners, and assets. Next, open Business Manager. Think of Business Manager as your command center for permissions. If you don't see it, you may need admin access on the account or to switch to the correct business. Once you're in Business Manager, go to Members. Members are individuals you add directly, such as teammates or contractors tied to your business. For this tutorial, though, we're working with a company-to-company connection, so switch over to the Partners tab. Partners are external businesses like agencies that you connect using a business ID, allowing them to help manage your ad accounts and tools without giving them your personal login. Click Invite Partner. You'll be prompted to enter the partner business ID. Ask your partner for their Pinterest business ID and paste it carefully. It's a unique identifier, so double check for typos before proceeding. You'll see options about the kind of connection you want. One option is invite this partner to access your ad accounts and tools. This means you're granting them access to your assets. Another option is request access to this partner's ad accounts and tools, which you'd use if you need access to their assets. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with inviting the partner to access your ad accounts and tools. After confirming the choice, click Add Partner. Pinterest will send the invitation to that business ID. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to select specific ad accounts or tools they can access. Choose only what they need to do their job. Less is more when it comes to permissions. That's it. Your partner will accept the invite on their end, and once they do, they'll appear under Partners with the access you granted. If something doesn't show up, verify you use the correct business ID, ensure you have admin permissions, refresh the page, and let your partner know to check their notifications.